Want to make your audio sound distorted and loud? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do so. So let's get right into it. So first up, open up Audacity and import any audio that you like. Now, double click to save the entire audio and then go to Effects. Now head towards Distortion and Modulation and navigate towards Distortion. Here you'll be provided with a setting window. Now you can go ahead and adjust the sliders which heads from clipping level to makeup gain. So you can do it accordingly and make your audio distorted and louder. And once you're done, just simply click apply. And here you can see in the waveform as well, the audio has been distorted and much louder. You can normalize the audio to make it a little bit better, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. I'll see you in the next one.